How to install Instagram on your iPhone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to easily install the Instagram app on your iPhone. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So the first thing we need to do is simply open up the App Store, as you can see up here in the top left. That is where we can download different apps onto our iPhone. If you're not sure where to find it, simply from the home screen here, swipe from right to left until you get to what's called the App Library, then select the search bar at the top and just type App Store. It should come up at the top. Go ahead and select it. Once it opens up, go to the bottom, select search, and then all we need to do is type Instagram. You should see Instagram come up. Select that. Once you search Instagram, find Instagram and go ahead and open it up. And then where mine has a little cloud icon, yours might say Get because you've never downloaded it before. So go ahead and select Get or the cloud icon. Once you do that, you'll see it start spinning. And that is the progress of it downloading and installing to your iPhone. So just give it a second to download and install. Once it's done installing, select Open. And then when it opens up, you'll need to log into your account. Now, if you don't already have an Instagram account, you can go ahead and select Create Account, but go ahead and enter your Instagram username and password and then select Login, and then you'll be logged into the Instagram app on your iPhone. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.